Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your interests onto your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the homepage for LinkedIn. Now, if you wish to add interests onto your profile, you will need to search for these. Click on My Network and you will be given various recommendations based on your current network. If you follow any individuals, they will not appear within your interests, but they will appear underneath following and followers. However, if you subscribe to newsletters and follow various companies, then these will be included into your interests section. You can also search for various companies using the search box. And when you follow the companies from their profile page, when you go back into your profile by tapping on View Profile from the Me option, just scroll all the way down and you will see that these companies have now appeared underneath your interests section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add interests onto your profile on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.